There has to be something here. Why is this so
Every day,
difficult?
Millions of students search for answers. Scholarships, government schemes, jobs, online applications. But instead of finding solutions, they find confusion. Then, a simple question changes everything. What if there was one place? Is there any channel where solutions to all problems are available in one place? One channel, thousands of solutions, everything explained. Online application forms, government schemes, latest job notifications, student updates, scholarships. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, a farmer, a homemaker, or anyone who wants to use digital services, start learning from one trusted place. One-stop digital Seva. One channel, endless solutions.